Okay guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video here to show you how to do the chi-square test for homogeneity for the entree versus music example in our 11.2 part 1 note sheet. Okay, so here's the data again. Here are my observed counts, and we want to have the calculator do the test for us. So what you do is you go into your calculator and you say second matrix, and you edit matrix A, right? And you make it a matrix that matches the observed count. So here are my observed counts, okay? Well, that's a 3-row by 3-column matrix. So you go in and you say it's a 3, and you'll see 3 rows by 3-column matrix, okay? And now you start entering numbers, 30, 39, 30, and so on and so on and so on. So do 30, 39, 30, what was it? 11, 1, 19, 11, 1, 19, and then 43, 35, 35. So 43, 35, 35. Okay? And then quit out of there, and then go into your stat tests and go push the up arrow. Now remember, we did goodness of fit test in our previous section 11.2 part 1 and 2. So this is letter C, chi-square test, okay? Not goodness of fit. This is chi-square test for homogeneity, and the next one we'll be doing chi-square test for association. They both use this chi-square test on your calculator. So enter. The way you know that you're in the right place, it asks you for basically a matrix, okay? And then where should it put the expected counts? So observed counts is my matrix A. I believe if you haven't done anything in your matrix B, or you have stuff in there or whatever is going on, this will automatically overwrite that and fix it. So you don't have to do anything. If it's not there, then you just go second matrix and you go to B and hit enter, and then B will be there, okay? B will be there. And then you hit enter, enter, you get to calculate, hit enter, and it does everything for you, okay? So there's our chi-square statistic, 18.279 or 18.28. I think that's what we found when we did it manually. 18.28. Where is she? 18.28. Okay, and it gives you the degrees of freedom too, in case you forget. So we didn't have to calculate degrees of freedom; it did it for us. Okay. Now the thing you might ask is, for my calculation here, what I need to justify my work are my expected counts. Okay, because I need that for my large counts condition, and I need it for my do step. So how do I find these expected counts? Well, the calculator does it for you. It's in matrix B, okay? So you just go second matrix, and you go to B, hit enter, and this is basically saying, let me see what's in matrix B. You hit enter, and then there are, okay? So 34.22, 30.56, whatever. And if you scroll over, you can see the rest, okay? So there are your expected counts. So observed we entered, expected we got back, and that's how you do the test on your calculator. All right, I hope that was helpful for you.